Hi, in this video we're going to be talking further about the 450 SL. If any of my videos helped you repair your car, then please hit the button super thanks. And if you want to be the first one to watch my video as it is fully uploaded, then hit the button join. Thanks. This is a quick video in which I'm going to be speaking about the spark plugs. We're going to be checking spark plugs and to see what we get. So I'm going to be measuring the resistance of the cables, and what you actually have to remember is that the nominal value for all the cables is 1 kilo ohm. So now we're going to be checking cables on the car and let's see what we get. We compare the cables on the car with these, which I have, which I got. So let's do it, shall we? Cable number 1, 1252. Testing cable number 2. Wow, excellent. One more bed of them. Testing number 3. 1.17. This one is the best so far. Testing number 4. 1.3. Bouncing. No. So number 4, bad. Now we go to the other cylinder bank. Testing number 5. No, this is definitely no. My multimeter went to sleep. Testing number 6. 1.76. Testing number 7. 1.316. And finally, testing number 8. Resistance infinity. Really? Okay, that's it. Now let's see the ones I got with the car. They're not the greatest, but at least I get something around kilo ohm. Here. This one. Here. Here. That's better. The next one. They're better. Okay, these, for example, they are not something. I'm not so amazed. Look. But they're although better than those that are in the car. The next one. 3 more of them. The next one. Here. Let's say it shows nominal value. Wow, this one as well. And the last one of them, it says almost 900. Well, it was the last of those. To be honest with you, I don't like these, how they look like. Not at all. Look. But I suppose they're way better than those which are in the car. So that's everything for this one. And till the next one,